Imagine an online store designed just for you, stocked with products you love and delivered within hours. That's hyperlocal dropshipping merging with personalized e-commerce. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to local fulfillment. Shoppers crave speedy deliveries and tailored recommendations. Hyperlocal dropshipping delivers that, fast. Our model combines global inventory with local micro-warehouses, bringing the world of e-commerce right to your neighborhood. By optimizing inventory, using smart personalization, every shopping experience feels unique. Capture customer loyalty with targeted ads and region-specific promotions that reflect local life. Ready to launch your personalized e-commerce journey? Don't wait? Visit us today and explore how your store can thrive locally.